My name's Shimona, and I'm representing 350 Seattle. I am the executive director at 350 Seattle. I actually started off as a volunteer back in 2016. A common thing that we talk about at 350 Seattle is climate justice. That's different from just climate action. When we talk about climate justice, we talk about the effects of the climate crisis on communities that have been underserved or on the front line of a lot of climate issues. They're the communities that are hit first and worst in regards to like climate disaster, or when money is being dealt out, who gets that money. When we say climate justice, we're really uplifting the communities and the voices of people who are continuously underserved. We like to call it like an accessibility campaign. We spend a lot of time researching all of the bills and the policies, and then we make that information accessible for people to engage with their legislative process. With climate change, we recognize that there are a ton of different things that you can do to address those changes. I think 350 Seattle helps people feel empowered and that they have a voice in our system that we're all swimming in. We empower people to make change. And I think that's what resonates to me is a lot of the work we're not doing for us. We're not doing it as an individual, we're doing it as a community, and we're doing it for the other communities that come after us in time.